Hello students, how are you? I hope you are quite fine. Yesterday we read a new chapter, that is I Dream of World. It is a poem which is written by Langston Hughes. Today we will discuss its book exercise and question answers. Let us start. A part. On the basis of your understanding of the poem, complete the following summary. First of all, you have to complete the summary. In the poet's dream world, no man will dash. कोई आदमी क्या नहीं करेगा? Scorn others or scold others. Next, the earth will be blessed by love and peace. Earth will be blessed by love. Earth will be blessed by love and peace will prevail everywhere. हर तरफ क्या होगी? शांति. There will be no difference between black and white race और black and white color. कोई difference नहीं होगा कि whether you belong to America or India. Is it fine? Everybody will be able to experience joy and happiness. Man will not be spiritually weakened by greed. ठीक है, उनकी आत्मा लालच से कमज़ोर नहीं पड़ेगी. Avarice will not make human life miserable. Avarice is also greed. People will share the joy equally. ठीक है, खुशियाँ बांटेंगे आपस में equally. Misery will be banished. जो मिजरी है वो दुनिया से बैनिश हो जाएगी, गायब हो जाएगी. Is it fine? Now, next one. Read the following extract from the poem and answer the questions that follow. And joy like a pearl, and joy like a pearl, attend the needs of all mankind. What has been joy compared to? Joy का comparison किसके साथ किया गया है? Joy has been compared to a pearl या to the pearls. What is the significance of this comparison? The simile has been used in these sentences to make a comparison between joy of human life to the pearls in an ocean. To find pure joy in simple things is as difficult as to find pearls from deep ocean. Is it clear? जैसे कि समंदर में से पर्ल्स निकालनी मुश्किल है, पर्ल्स को पाना मुश्किल है, ऐसे ही सिंपल चीज़ों में खुशी ढूंढना, खुशी को प्राप्त कर लेना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. पर्सोनिफिकेशन इज़ अ लिटरेरी डिवाइस. ये मैंने आपको शायद पहले भी समझाए थे. पर्सोनिफिकेशन इज़ अ लिटरेरी डिवाइस. लिटरेरी डिवाइस है पर्सोनिफिकेशन, इन विच ऑब्जेक्ट्स और क्वालिटीज़ आर रिप्रेजेंटेड एज ह्यूमन बींग्स. पर्सोनिफिकेशन क्या होता है कि जब ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज़ को, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को ह्यूमन क्वालिटी से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. इज इट फाइन? फर्स्ट वन, लव विल ब्लेस द अर्थ. Love. In this expression, love has been personified through the action of blessing. Blessing किसका है action? Human beings का, which is the quality of a human being. Love will bless. In this expression, love has been personified through the action of blessing. Now, wretchedness will hang its head. Wretchedness has been personified here through the action of hanging, which is quality or action related to human beings. Is it fine? Now next is word power. In this D part, a few phrases from the text have been placed in column A with their meanings in column B. In jumbled form, match the phrases. Saps the soul. Saps the soul means weakens or destroys our spiritual power. Second one, avarice blights our day. An extreme desire for wealth makes our daily life tense and miserable. Third one, bounties of earth. The generous gifts offered to us by the land on which we live, that is nature. Wretchedness will hang its head. Misery and suffering will no longer exist. ठीक है, कोई दुखी नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट, अटेंड टू द नीड्स. अटेंड टू द नीड्स मीन्स टेक केयर ऑफ द रिक्वायरमेंट्स. ज़रूरतों का ध्यान रखना. नीड का मतलब भी ज़रूरत है. टेक केयर ऑफ द रिक्वायरमेंट्स. नाउ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट this book exercise as well as you have to write question answers in your fair notebook. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.